Hey y'all, it is, let me not lie, 1:13 in the morning. It is officially August 5th. And today is Caribana. I need to be up in 4 hours to head down there to help my cousin at his shop today. I'm just saying that because I don't know if I'm gonna have the time in the morning, so I decided I'm gonna do this now because I literally just got out the shower. I'm about to wind down, watch a show, and try to fall asleep and get up for 5:30 because I gotta be down on the lake shore at 6 o'clock. Wish me luck. But I'll see you guys tomorrow at Caribana. Morning. Almost forgot about you guys. Say good morning. We're on our way to Caribana 2023. We're not jumping and raving, but we're going. This is a make money summer, right? Yeah, right, that's all.
Work and fun at the same time. Have fun.
So yeah, we're on our way to Caribana, or what we're our version of Caribana this year. But yeah, come along with us. And yeah, we're in the Uber now on our way. And yeah, so see you in a little bit. I'll be working for the day. This is where we're at. Okay, be right back. Gonna set up. No problem. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my yard. Yeah, my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time now. I need to spend my time. I really need my now. I need to spend my mind now. I really need time now. I need to spend my now. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah.
So yeah, people, this are the after, you know. What time now, babe?
12:51.
12:50. What time up? What time we did the Uber this morning I come? If people see same journey I know going back now from like
Literally, it's 12:50.
12:50.
It's 1 o'clock in the fucking
1 o'clock
morning.
and we left like cause we got to bed 1 o'clock yesterday, awake.
No, it's 1 o'clock
5.
in the morning. It's really and truly 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, look at it.
That's
Look,
crazy to me.
Keita, what I'm saying name?
Crochet?
Crochet. Oh, I forgot to edit them video and put up them video, but I waste the energy of me video, you know. People them say video, you know. Life get hectic, people. We don't want to teach me fully of edit.
You can learn just like how you learn to do every other thing. You can learn. This used to be one of my favoriteest malls in the whole wide world. Dufferin Mall. Oh my god, me and mommy.
And a good thing I catch it that
used to come here every Saturday. Every Saturday. And then there's there's a Taco Bell up here. Bomba. They used to have 10 tacos for, I can't remember the price, but remember me tell you say after we done shop, we gotta get 10 taco. See? Taco Bell! Ah! I'm not lying. Dufferin Mall, and this Walmart is like my favorite. This Walmart. Upstairs, downstairs. Homebot!
Hello to the vlogs, man.
Hi guys. Going to the food truck festival.
Second year. Yo, as me I say it so.
Second annual food truck festival. Yo, we seen some stuffed patties I want to try. I know I want to get a dessert for sure and a drink. Them content. Yeah, right. Them three something there. A drink, an entree, and a dessert, baby. I'm excited. So I'm gonna pick up what I need to get from Party City, and then we're gonna drive to Kennedy Station, park at Kennedy Station, and then take the bus to
the train.
Yeah, train and bus to Woodbine Park. I'm pretty sure we can park there, but I ain't into paying parking. I'm pretty sure it's not free. I'm not into the whole parking, and it's a long weekend, so I just know it's gonna be hectic. Sorry, I just know it's gonna be hectic, so I ain't into all of that work. So that's what I'm gonna do. I should have cut through this song. Whatever. It's 2:10. Is it 2:10? 2:12.
What do you set out for left for 12:30?
12 o'clock.
Yeah, 12:30 actually.
12 o'clock.
No, what do you want to start? Get ready 12 and left
12. We said 12. Oh, I'm going to relax. I'm going to. Okay, thank you. Need a guess. ice cream sandwiches. They have Cinnabons.
$10, but I don't know about the cheesecake in a cup.
I've seen some other frozen ones that look better, but the Cinnabons look good.
Yeah.
I would get a cinnamon bun. Take a picture of this one. I would get a cinnamon bun. That looks nice. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Cookies by Gia. Oh, they have the Korean dogs. Empanadas.
Empanada. Mexican again.
Who is this? Hot dogs? Are you guys selling hot dogs? Can I get a sample? Gracias. Yeah. Maple leaf is my favorite.
Maple leaf.
I'm all for free samples, baby. Off to the middle portion. These are better cheesecakes. Cheesecake Factory?
Holy shit. Yeah, how much is the price?
I don't know.
That's why I'm looking. Oh man, they might have a couple of mad me. Me love plastic and wine down there.
See a lemonade truck?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if this is the same one. There's that tropic thing I seen. I want to go there and see their drinks in the coconut. No, this is the same one. Yeah. You wanna get it? Might as well. Oh no, I liked how they had they put like the ice cream in the coconut shell and stuff like that. But I don't like coconut ice cream. Yeah, it's coconut. Not a coconut ice cream fan. Hi. Oh, see how they make it? That looks so cool. It's the coconut ice cream. They put rice, coconut flakes, and then cherries. Yeah. Oh my god, look at the squid. Oh. Squid and octopus leg. Jesus! Oh, babe, this one has like options. No, like original lemonade, mango, strawberry. Yeah. Oh, this is another cheesecake place. This is the one I wanted. It's on a stick. Oh, I'm gonna get the dipped strawberries. Yes, bitch. No, but they have the cheesecakes on a stick. Babe, this is the one that you got from.
Yes.
Jerk poutine. Hey! No worries, it happens to me every day.
We have these strawberry lemonade.
Oh, our purple looks exactly the same to me, so I don't really.
We have the peach green tea and then
Yes.
shake all.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. All right, guys, we're here. Babe got from the same place I got last year, because that seems to be like the only really great option other than this barbecue place that I think we're gonna go to. But Babe got the let me see if I can tell you guys the name. Hold on. The restaurant is called Las Vietnamita. Babe, I got the CHB fried chicken. Hope y'all can see it with the brioche bun. Yeah. You want the hot sauce? And then I got my same Saigon fried chicken taco that I got last year because that was bussin', with some hot sauce. And y'all, they win every year, so yeah, it's a reason why. And then she made me get the al pastor fries. There's like pork, cheese, sour cream, guac, pico de gallo, bussin'. And then babe got a peach jelly green tea white peach green tea with jelly. And then I got a mango lemonade. Cheers. Cheers again. Cheers.
Oh, that cheers, we can't start that please.
Sorry.
Come rewind up. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine up. If you're loving every night, you make you mad up. Now only you give me love and make me nice up, nice up, nice up. I feel make you mine up. But I love you plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money chase. I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play. Make a psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you lazy, I go drive me psycho. Baby, every dirty, don't they make me mad up. Make you sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like so. Show you everything that I've denied, oh. True that make you utilize.
Y'all, I'm stuffed. Stuffed. See the food baby I started? Yeah, stuffed. But after dessert, I want to get a churro first. There's a cinnamon bun that I want to get. I'm probably not gonna eat it here. I'm probably gonna take it home. But their cinnamon buns look really, really good.
See what I bring home, I bring home something.
And then there's a strawberry chocolate something that I want to get as well. So those are the only thing that I want to get for dessert. I don't think there's anything else that I want to try. Babe wanted to look at the barbecue, which is where we're headed to right now. The meat plate is $30. That's brisket, Korean short rib, 1 bone back rib. Yeah, but 2 ribs is $25.
What about the $15 one?
That's oh my god, I'm so excited. Strawberry chocolate.
Food truck fest, you know? So dessert time, we eat food already as you know, can meticulously scrutinize. That's the one I want. It's broken.
Gracias. Thank you. Ooh. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Ooh.
I don't know if I see it, babe.
Ooh.
I see the place.
Ooh. I'm excited for this. Everything I lost, I'm gaining right back.
Tell you already if running for them, bro, because we're nice, you know.
So yes.
And nobody wait till winter. All winter with the mind, because you don't want to experience the snow to still, but go forward in that place, my bro, man, I swear.
So guys, yeah, we're back in the car, heading home. got like 1 or 2 stops to make, but heading home. And yeah, food truck festival, amazing. I got my desserts in the back, and Babe has his cheesecake in the back. We both got cheesecake, different versions. I got mine chilled, and he got his in just a regular slice or whatever the case may be. But I'm excited to go home and try that. So baby, my taco, 10 out of 10. Your burger?
20 out of 10.
Pumbo. The fries? Baby, I think I enjoyed the fries more than the taco. Yeah, because I need to find where their restaurant is. No, I just need to find where their restaurant is.
Good for them chicken,
and go to their restaurant. Because, baby, their fried chicken, for Korean, their fried chicken is bomb.
No, like, the Korean people cook good enough. I don't know Korean.
It's Korean fried chicken.
Korean people cook good.
It's Korean fried chicken. So, yeah, it was so good. People miss my belly boss. And, like, the fries thing that we had, like, as I said, the pico de gallo and the pork that they used, the pork was seasoned so good. Like, there's just so much flavors. Like, so it's crazy to explanation it, but full of flavor. Yeah. Full of everything has flavor. The coleslaw, the bread, the little something pan, the little pickles and cucumber with them flinging there. Everything has a flavor. Like, everything is flavored. It's so freaking good. La Vietnamata, or whatever it's called. Bomb.com every time. So, yeah. Enough talking, guys. I'm gonna GPS how to get home. And head home. Bye.